Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Friday Eve to you. Secret City Weather here with your afternoon video update. Taking a look here at the current temperatures across the region right now, sitting in the mid-80s for parts of the valley, up to our north and Little Barron at 83, and off to our west in Crossville also sitting at 83. Feel like temperatures across the region right now, very warm out there as well, sitting in the upper 80s to lower 90s for parts of the valley. Farragut sitting at 91, Clinton at 90. Up to our north and Little Barron, a little cooler there, not by much, sitting at 87. And off to our west in Crossville, feel like temperature around 85. If we take a look at our surface map here, we definitely get an idea of why it's been so warm the past couple of days and will continue to be the case today and into your Friday. We have that high pressure system sitting across the area. Due to the natural nature of that, it is a clockwise flow, so that means it'll be drawing in that moisture, those muggy conditions, and those hot temperatures from the Gulf of Mexico this afternoon. Good news is on the horizon, though, off to our west there, we do see a cold front that will slide through tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. That will provide a little bit of cooler temperatures as we start your weekend, but overall that's a relative term as we'll still be sitting with highs in the lower 90s. Model guidance here of the whole United States, we see that low pressure system off to our west, cold front associated without the rainfall out ahead of that cold front. That will begin to slide through into our area tomorrow afternoon, as I said. Could help in the development of some scattered showers into your Saturday morning, but overall, I'm going to say pretty dry out there. A few scattered showers here and there, but not everyone will get wet and won't be anything too impactful as we get into your Saturday. A little finer scale here, an isolated shower or two possible this afternoon. Just like we saw yesterday, mainly in the higher elevations due to that orographic lift and daytime heating. Could see one or two roll through the valley at times. So as this gift restarts here, definitely see that cold front starts to deteriorate as we get into your Friday evening. But as we get into your Saturday morning, you could see the redevelopment of those scattered to isolated storms, mainly in the far eastern portion of East Tennessee. You could see one or two roll through the valley at times. But overall, as I said, pretty quick hitting, pretty quick moving, and not too impactful as we'll have a new high pressure system begin to build in for your Sunday and early next week. Something we'll be eyeing the next couple of days is the possibility of a disturbance becoming a tropical depression or a tropical storm. National Hurricane Center gives this a greater than 60% chance of occurring within the next 5 days. So that's something that could be a rainmaker for us as it moves into the Gulf or potentially moves into the Gulf of Mexico sometime early to late next week. So definitely be eyeing that as a chance for some rain or much needed rainfall in the East Tennessee area. Pretty cool map here, the ocean heat content anomaly. This basically shows the darker red shades are well above average temperatures for this time of year, while the green shades are below average temperatures for this time of year. So definitely where this disturbance is heading is very above the average for this time of the year. That'll definitely help in the enhancement and development of it becoming a tropical storm to a tropical depression over the next few days. Models are having trouble picking up on where this will go, as well as how rapidly it could increase in strength. So definitely we'll be eyeing that the next couple of days and see what the models are hinting towards, as well as the data that's coming in for us to come up with a more better forecast. Overall though, keep in mind there is a possibility we could see some rainfall from this system as it gets into next week. For tonight though, pretty mild out there, expecting lows around 70 degrees. Could see some patchy fog like we saw this morning late into the night, early into Friday morning, but overall winds will be calm in the overnight hours. For your full forecast here, brought to you by J&M's Butcher Shop. This afternoon, another warm day out there, mid-90s. Could see an isolated shower or two. Friday, much of the same. But as we get into your Saturday, that cold front will slide through. Could provide some scattered to isolated showers in the morning hours, but overall will be partly sunny with highs in the lower 90s. Sunday, a little bit more cloud cover though, a little cooler though, as we'll shade out a little bit. Highs expected to be around 90 degrees. Could see an isolated shower or two, mainly in the morning hours. But as we get into your Monday, that high pressure system will begin to build back in. That'll increase the temperatures for early next week, as well as those humidity, making feel like temperatures feel much warmer than they actually are. Hope everyone has a great rest of your Thursday. Remember, heat safety is going to be very warm the next couple of days.